Them they call me the bad boy. Them so me hunya my empo. They am some new na me choda. Not a bad young some baby. Send me away from my come. Na some mama can you have you my dream. Oh they me new me Yabeko. Ah, me new beko what day. Yabeko. Other way. Me new beko say yeah. Yabeko. Hey, me new beko. Other way. Yabeko.
But you didn't to my come. Yet, be out of me. Make you know what people say. She said, "Cat out from Cameroon." I've been around the world, you know. Never found a girl like you.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. And today I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing video of some hair that I got. I was sent this hair by, I'm joking, I wasn't sent it by anyone. And the beauty about this review is the same hair I'm going to review is the same hair that's on my head because I loved it at a 16 inches that I went back and got at a 10 inches. So I'll show you exactly what I have going on. So it obviously came in a DHL bag. Shipping was really quick, like DHL is amazing at shipping. I think I ordered it on a Tuesday night or Wednesday and they said it would be there either Friday or Monday, and then it came on a Saturday and I'm like,
yes, girl. Yes, you are doing the most.
I'll just show you how they look like. They all come in like all these clear, same as the last time, clear plastic bags, and it names it 10 inches Peruvian Kinky Straight. I honestly love it. I went back and got 10 inches, so you know. And it's funny, it's been a long time since I've had any hair shorter than 18 inches. Like gone are the days I want 24 inches and 26 inches. I'm so over it. Does that mean I'm maturing? I think so. Okay. Like, yeah, I went back and got 10 inches. I think that this looks natural and looks really nice, but I think that 10 inches will look even more like, people be like, is that your hair? And I'm like,
girl, why you asking? Don't you know? Girl, bye.
So within the DHL bag, they gave me a little wig cap, which I don't know. I don't even know if I like it, but it's nice of them, you know. And then they gave me eyelashes. So all the like important statistics. This is 3 bundles of 10 inches Peruvian Afro Kinky Straight. Same as my hair. Same as what I have in my head. Peruvian, you know. We're getting there. Level. The texture is really nice. Let me show you compared to the 16 inches. This is 16 inches I have on my head right now. Same texture. Starts off looking a bit more silky smooth, and then it gets a bit coarser. And even the texture of the hair, like if you feel it, it feels a bit more coarser as you get down. Part of all, oh my goodness, the closure. This closure is on another level. This is a 4x4 closure. I never realized the first time I bought it that it was gonna be this big. Like I've had closures before, looks like one anorexic chicken. You know those chickens when you go to those African parties and it's like, what is this? What is this? I think it's called hard chicken. Hard chicken is for soup because it takes up the juices of that bemkwa and it makes it succulent. Closure is also 10 inches. 4x4, amazing, and it's a medium brown lace and it's a 3-way parting, and this one has baby hairs which is kind of cool. Oh yeah, the thing about this is you get the option to pick between a free closure, a 3-way closure, and a middle closure, and I picked the 3-way closure. They must have plucked it or something, so the line is already defined for you. All you have to do is just comb it in that direction and it lies flat, which is really cool. But for me it doesn't really matter because like obviously it's a wig, so I can just we're all family, let me show you, we're all family here. So obviously it's a wig, so even if I want it to be at the side, I can turn it to the side. If I want it to be at the front, I can turn it to the middle. So the beard, which means this, the wefts, you look at it for yourself. I don't know, what do you think? It looks alright to me. It's definitely single wefted, but it's a thicker single. You know, some single wefts look so thin, but this one has got a bit of, you know, body on it. Muscles. And what else? It smells right. It just smells like normal hair. Normal hair. Just like normal, like whenever you get hair, that's how it smells like to me anyway. So, but I'm sure the smell will go away once you give it like a cool wash. Oh, I'll go. You'll be fine. You'll be chilling. Yeah. So for my braid out, I use this. It's called Lotta Body texturizing setting lotion. I can do a braider, I can do a twister, I can do everything on it, and I feel like it's the same maintenance as you would your natural hair. So like, because I use this often, like I retwist it or rebraid it like every night, so at the end of the week I need to like wash it, or the thing else I like rinse it and then I do it again, so that it doesn't have like a build-up, but like it holds a curl amazingly, and for no heat. This is dope. So when I bought it, it was like 35% off for my 16 inches. And again, they lie to you on Aliexpress, you know, they lie to you because they do like, oh, 2 hours, 5 minutes left. And then you go back the next day, 5 hours, 6 minutes left. Like, it's stupid. But anyway, I bought it, the last one, and it was 35% off for this one I have, which is the 16 inches. And for the 10 inches, actually, when I bought this one, they sent me an email. They're like, if you give us 5 stars, we'll get you 5% off. I'm like, no, did they say 5% or $5 off or something? I'm like, okay. But the reason that actually drew me to this hair was the reviews. There was really great reviews, and like people were generally saying da and stuff on it. I made it into a wig like usual. I used one of my dome caps here and the elastic, and I realized, oh, stop buying thicker elastic. I used to put one elastic and then I tend to using two, and then it made it really flat. But now I just went and bought a bigger elastic, and it's so cheap. I think it was like 1 meter for like, what, 60p or something. It's really cheap. And that's what's under here basically, right around this bit. So I guess I'll probably be back in like 2 months time, because obviously 2 weeks is not enough time. Or you I ain't even gonna say no more.
So I'll see you guys in about 2 months time. Yeah, to do like a proper reviews of the hair. So yeah, I can't wait. I wanted to do this really quickly because I want to make the wig of this hair, so that's why I wanted to do this video. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Order.
I'm very sweet, very nice. If you check my bank account,